Day 2, 1956 Ford panel van. Hasn't been touched since the last one. I'm going to get in the back, see what's back here, take a peek, see what's really up with it. Here we go, got her uncovered. We'll go open her up, take a peek at what we got. Like I said, the doors don't look too bad. There's a little bit rust right here, but it looks like it's been repaired. That one looks brand new up top. Lower is not too good. What's this? Okay, that looks okay. That looks all right. I think the hinge, the hinge pin on that one there is not as good as one might hope. It's up against the glass. Not sure I like that. It's up against the light. I'll have to figure out something. Anyway, we got the front undercowling, brand new. Front fenders, brand new. 64 Corvette split window doors, original equipment. Looking pretty good. We'll have to find a place to put those. The flooring, not too bad, though it's coming out. That's the first thing's coming out. The flooring. So I can get underneath there and move the gas tank. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with that. There is some rust right in that corner above the wheel well right there that need to be cut out. So that'll be next. That'll be very first. Lovely piece of equipment. I'll come back later after I've cleaned this out. Chances are there's going to be a lot of shots of my butt. Start with the closest one, hope for the best. All right, I've got a question about the doors. All right, the back door, this left, the right hand side here, if you're looking at it, comes back, hits the stops right here, does not hit the light. All right, when I've measured rough measurements with my finger, right to there. The door over here does not come back and hit the stops. It comes all the way around, hits the lens right here, and I've got a little dent right there I'm going to have to take care of when I start painting and worrying about that. But that's on down the road. See how it's not hitting? Are these the wrong, is this the wrong left door? Should I weld something onto it to make it stop about there? Right now I've got the stopper string that goes across there. I just put a string on there so it wouldn't go back and bend anymore. But I don't know. They don't seem to want to shut just right either, so I'm just wasn't sure what's up with that. So let me go around to the other side. This will be a labor of love, I'm sure. Better get to loving it, right? When my buddy comes, he'll help me get the covers off too. We'll take a good look at it.